Our skin isn't just a layer that covers us. It's a living reflection of what is happening inside our body. Every organ, every system, every emotion shows up here first. When your body is inflamed, your skin tells the story through acne, dullness, or sensitivity. And the truth is simple. When you eat clean, sleep well, and live balanced, your skin glows. It's not magic, it's biology. Let's start with food. The biggest mistake most people make is eating highly processed foods, packed with sugar, oils, and chemicals that trigger inflammation. These foods don't just harm your gut, they literally make your skin age faster, trigger acne, and reduce elasticity. If you want healthy, youthful skin, your diet has to be low inflammatory. Think whole foods that existed before packaging, like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, quality protein, healthy fats. A Mediterranean-style or paleo-style diet, rich in colorful veggies, olive oil, fish, eggs, and nuts, has been shown to reduce skin inflammation and improve brightness. Foods that love your skin include fatty fish like salmon or sardines, full of omega-3s, flax and chia seeds, dark leafy greens, spinach, kale, mustard leaves, oranges, carrots, and sweet potatoes, loaded with natural vitamin A. Berries, rich in antioxidants that fight free radical damage. Avoid overdosing on vitamin A supplements. Get it from food instead. And keep in mind, high heat, fried, or packed foods are loaded with compounds that irritate the skin from the inside out. Now let's talk about the gut-skin connection. A healthy gut means reduced overall inflammation. That's why low-sugar fermented foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, dahi, or kefir can do wonders for acne and redness. Just 1 to 4 servings a day can noticeably improve your skin within weeks. Next, lifestyle. You can buy every cream in the world, but if you're not sleeping enough, you'll still look tired. Great skin starts with great sleep. When you rest properly, your body releases growth hormones that repair damaged cells, literally healing your skin overnight. Alcohol, dehydration, and stress do the opposite. They puff your face, disturb your gut, and age your skin. So, drink enough water. Manage stress through deep breathing, meditation, or even a walk outside. Control your emotions in real time. Your skin will thank you for it. Now let's talk about daily skincare. The practical part. You don't need 20 products, you just need consistency. Step 1. Wash your face twice a day with a gentle face wash. Not bar soap, not hand wash. Use something made for your skin type. Step 2. Moisturize immediately afterward to lock in hydration and protect your barrier. Step 3. Sunscreen. Every single morning, no excuses. Even on cloudy days, 80% of UV rays still hit your skin. UV exposure is the #1 cause of premature aging. There is a photo of a truck driver who spent 28 years with sunlight hitting only one side of his face. That side looked almost 10 years older. Proof that the sun quietly damages your skin every day. Step 4. Exfoliate twice a week. This removes dead skin, unclogs pores, and reveals a fresh, smoother layer underneath. Just don't overdo it. And stop touching your face all the time. Your hands carry oils and bacteria that cause breakouts. Touch your face only during your skincare routine. For advanced care, retinol is the gold standard. It boosts cell turnover, fades wrinkles, and evens out tone. Start slow, twice a week, and always wear sunscreen with it. If you struggle with dark circles, use a cooling eye serum with caffeine and peptides. It brightens, reduces puffiness, and makes you look awake. And if you ever deal with deep sun damage or stubborn spots, dermatologists often recommend dark spot serums or antioxidant products like vitamin C. But remember, those are optional. The real foundation is still your diet, sleep, stress, and consistency. Finally, remember this. Your skin doesn't change overnight, but it does respond to discipline. Eat clean, sleep deep, stay hydrated, protect your skin from the sun. Within a few weeks, you'll notice your skin looking clearer, calmer, more alive. Because glowing skin isn't about luck, it's about lifestyle. And when your body is healthy, your skin simply mirrors that truth. Like and subscribe for more this type of valuable content.